Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include CD player, halogen headlamps, USB adapter, MP3. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.